So hi guys, back in the kitchen with Penny. So earlier on I posted a picture of mushroom in peanut sauce, but I got that from Google and I said that I was craving that. So fortunately for me, I went round and I found a nice Congolese shop. The nice lady there was selling mushroom. So what you can see here is I'm actually making the mushroom in peanut sauce, or we would say mushroom, well, yeah, in peanut sauce. Yeah, kusashila. That's what we would say in my language. And I'm super excited. For me, on this dish, I love the sodary taste. So I've put I put mushroom, some water, some salt, and soda from Zambia, and the pounded peanuts, and I'll let it cook. You have options. There's two ways of doing this. You can actually fry the mushrooms with tomatoes and onions, but for today I specifically wanted this one. So it's just cooking right there. Okay, and then at the same time, this is dried fish that I'm making in a tomato gravy. So I literally just added a little bit of palm oil, regular vegetable oil, some tomatoes and onions, and I put some tomato puree, and I'm just gonna let that cook until it's nice and saucy. And I'm so excited for the fish. It's very tasty. Somebody said to me today, they were explaining to me that whenever anything is dried, it brings out the taste more, and I'm starting to believe that, especially since I've been eating. I was never a dry fish type of person, but since I've been eating dry fish recently, I realized that the dry fish for me works better than the fresh one. Yeah, so absolutely beautiful. And also, you see here, I'm making my sorghum pap. So guys, so I'm gonna just share pictures with you guys when I'm done with this, and I'll continue to share my recipes with you guys. And this is a traditional African cuisine, because the fish and the mushroom are done in countries like Tanzania, DRC, Zambia, Kenya. So it's not a Zambian dish, although they are prepared differently in the different countries. So I will share pictures, and thank you so much for watching. Cheers, bye.
Your business is our baby. Advertise on Southern Classic Media and reach out the masses. Call us on 0967 667168 or 0965 349194. Remember, advertising is not only an expense, it's also an investment.